XUUTBOX Studio is an easy-to-assemble, lightweight, and ultra-portable studio with plenty of features. From now on, any space, anywhere can be turned into your own studio space. It all started with the structure. We crafted it using only the finest quality aluminum. But we didn't stop there. We wanted it to be more than just sturdy. We wanted it to be completely accessible from all angles. Well, that's where the magic really happens. We created an entirely new technology of filters and diffusers, so you can build the most incredible sets you ever imagined. You might be curious about how all this comes together. We've crafted it to be fully magnetic. Yes, completely. Let's explore it together. Grab a magnetic clamp. Pick a filter to add on it. Attach it to any part of the studio. No more tricks, it's that easy. But wait, there's more. XUUTBOX comes packed with a variety of add-ons to unleash your creative potential. Imagine a magnetic jaw so powerful, it can hold up to 22 pounds, and you can attach it to anywhere on the studio structure. The innovative positioning laser. With this tool, you can mark any target in the studio with pinpoint precision. The ground level stand. Ideal for mounting lights, softboxes, and more. It works seamlessly with the transparent base, allowing you to achieve unparalleled perspectives.
Hey there, I'm Jorge. For 2 years, I've been on a mission to design the ultimate portable studio solution for all us creatives who crave taking our work to the next level. Throughout my career, I've worked in numerous spaces, but none of them satisfied my requirements as a creative professional. So, I decided to create an efficient and cost-saving solution based on a quick setup structure that can turn any space into a high-end studio in a few minutes. But why should you choose a XUUTBOX Studio? Whether you're a content creator, videographer, or photographer, XUUTBOX Studio can be adapted to your needs. So, are you ready to turn your space into your own personal studio? Join us on this adventure. Let's create something amazing together. Back XUUTBOX Studio today.